This is Turquoise for Local Zone. In the studio today we have Keisha Simone. She's playing Juicy in the play called Nylons. So tell me about your character.
My character Juicy is the stripper, but she's kind of the good girl stripper.
The good girl stripper. So you gonna explain that? Yes. Okay, all right.
Well, basically, I've created this thought of she's basically doing it for her finances and doing it for college. Mm-hmm. That's how I've created her as far as why she's doing it, because she doesn't stay a stripper the entire play.
Okay.
She starts off, and not to give you all the play, but she starts off and she's trying to be the equal mom between Raquel and Flossie.
Okay.
Because they have a kind of friction, but she loves them both. Those are her home girls, and she's trying to be the in-between girl.
All right, so how do you find, so the play is coming up in a couple of weeks, so how do you find, is this a different character from what you've played before?
Yes, this is a very different character for me. I've never played a stripper, but I love to dance, so I kind of incorporate that with the person that I am.
So you're going to be dropping it like it's hot?
Dropping it like it's hot.
All right, so, fellas, if there's any incentive to come out, she's going to be dropping it like it's hot.
But me personally, I won't be dancing, but there will be some other entertainers there. Okay. We will all be dressed accordingly, though. Very nice, seductive outfits, so come out. You don't want to miss it.
So there will be skin.
Oh, yes.
Fellas, there will be skin. All right, go on.
Yes, but she's very educated, so she goes back to school, and she loves, basically, again, her friends. She's trying to stay in between the both of them, but she wants them to get along, so she gets caught in the middle. Okay. And me, myself, I kind of incorporate that to personal life, because as you know, everybody kind of have friends that don't get along.
Right.
So,
all right. So originally from Texas.
Yes.
So how long have you been in LA for?
This go around, I've been in LA for 2.5 years.
Okay, so what brought you out to LA? More acting and singing?
Yes. Okay. Actually, I came out for a guy.
Oh.
And then I got into acting when that didn't work out, and it's been a blessing ever since.
Nice.
I did an independent film in 2008, and I was blessed to meet Brandy Burks, and here we are.
So what is it like working with Brandy and the rest of the cast?
It is a joy working with Brandy, because it's not only being a director, she's a friend. She will get on you when you need to be, straightened out and things aren't going, because she's a director as well as a producer. But it's also a newfound family, because even with the cast, some of them I know, some of them I just met, we all feel like family. She feeds us, she nurtures us.
I was just about to say, I heard she feeds you.
Oh, we eat mighty good.
Okay. All right. And the lemonade. Let's not forget the lemonade.
Yeah. The lemonade, we have stories.
Yeah.
But yes.
For those who don't know, if you do ever get the chance to meet Brandy, ask her about her special lemonade, and she will hook you up.
She sure will. Trust me.
So you have a third single that's out this year called Waiting on You?
Yes.
So where can people find that?
Actually, right now we're putting it on iTunes. Okay. We're going to be releasing it at the end of the year, close to the time of the album.
And what type of music is it?
R&B.
R&B?
Yes.
And so what about the other two singles? Where can people find that?
The other two singles, actually, the first one, Southern Belle, was only being played in the South. And we're releasing it because we're redoing it over. So we're doing a remix of it.
Okay.
In the early part of 2012.
All right. And then will you be singing in the play at all?
No, actually, I will not. I'm just Juicy, which is a dancer.
Juicy.
Good friend.
All right. What was it? The nice stripper? What was it?
I'm the good girl.
The good girl stripper.
Yes.
All right. So tell us where the play is going to be.
The play is going to be at Stage 52, which is 5299 Washington. It's going to be February 25th, 26th, and 27th.
And the times?
The time frame? Oh, Brandy doesn't kill me. But Friday, I believe, is at 8 o'clock. Saturday is at 4 and 8, and Sundays 3 and 7.
And I believe you can find the information and ticket buying at happyforshow.com.
Yes.
All right, so this is Turquoise for Local Zone, and we have Keisha Simone from the play Nylons.
Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.